Yes. So these are from decimal, addition and subtraction. Subtract 5.27 from this number. So this you will write first and then convert them into like decimal. Check whether they are like decimal or not. Like decimal means after decimal, after point, they should have same number of decimal places. If number of decimal places after point are same, they are like decimal. After point number of decimal places are different, they are unlike decimal. So whoever are present, 7th D roll number 31 is present, 7th E roll number 10 is present, 7th E roll number 20 is present, 7th A roll number 2 is present, 7th D 33 is present, 7th E 20, 7th D 11, 7th C 16 just now. But my dear, merely by just presenting will not work. You have to solve all the problem, whoever are present here. Chalo, 5 minute time I am giving you. Solve the problem of decimal. Everybody has to give me the answer, send me the answer in the chat box, then I will ask. After idea from our no, from our side it is showing clear. Our side it is showing clear. Yes, not an issue. Solve all this. Take maximum 5 minutes, not more than that. So that another 5 problems I can give you. Another 5 problems I can give you. So you should have speed, you should have accuracy in the calculation. Maths means speed and accuracy in the calculation. Maths means speed and accuracy in the calculation. You have to send me the answer in the chat box. So, giving you 2-3 more minutes or 5 minutes. After that, whoever are present there, they have to send me the answer. So this is the remedial class where you have to do a lot of practice, because practice makes the man perfect. Keep on practicing till you succeed. Chalo, whoever are present there, send me the answer of first in the chat box. Those who will send the answer there presently only I will consider. After 5 problems, minimum 2-3 problems you have to give the answer. It should not happen that you have joined then you are doing some other work. Start sending me the answer of first. Praveen Harvard 7th E roll number 10, 62. What is that? 8.62. Suryan Singh 8.62. Okay, so 3 have given the answer. What about others? 7D33. Now what is your answer? 8.62. Okay. Chalo, solve second, third, fourth, fifth. Let me give few more problems here. Then next sixth one. What should be added? What should be added to 0.283 to get 2? What should be added to 0.283 to get 2? Then seventh one. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from 4.5 to get 4.05? From to get 4.05. Chalo, do it fast. Let us discuss the solution of first. Subtract 5.27 from 13.89. Whichever number is after from, that we write first. So we write 13.89, then minus 5 point, subtract means minus 5.27. Let us subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 13 minus 5 is 8, 1 is carried, 3 becomes 13 and 1 becomes 0. 13 minus 5 is 8, answer is 8.62, the first answer. So whoever are present here, just check whether the answer of first is 8.62. Chalo, start sending me the answer of second. Start sending me the answer of second. Okay. What about others? Others have to also solve this problem, my dear. Now you tell me in second whether they are like decimal places. It is 1, it is 2, it is 3. So whether they are like decimal, number of decimal places are not same, so they are not like decimal. The maximum number of decimal places is 3. So add 0 to the right. So like decimal will be 2.800, then 104.910 and 37.056. Now we have to add them. Now we have converted unlike decimals to like decimals. Number of decimal places 3, number of decimal places 3, number of decimal places 3. So they are like decimals. Let us add them. First we add these two. 2.800, then 104.910. Let us add 0, 1, 9 plus 8, 17. 1 is carried, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 107.710. Addition of these two is this. Now this number, this total we add to 37.056. 107.710, 37.056. Let us add. We write plus sign. Add means plus sign. Okay. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 is carried, 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is 144.766. Yes, just tell your answer. 144.766. Yes. So first we have discussed. Second we have discussed. Let us see. Yes, what about others? Everybody has to give the answer, my dear. Whoever are present there for this class, they have to give the answer. Hello, send me the answer in the chat box for third. Praveen, 363.366. Okay, Suryan 363.366. What about others? Only two. Prashant 363.366. Jayashree 7A roll number 2. So 4 students have given the answer. Let us check the answer. 333. Okay. So 333.333. This we have to add 33.333. Let us add their like decimal. 3 plus 3 6, 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 366.666. Total of these two. Now from this total we have to subtract this. So 366.666. We have to subtract this. Minus 3.3. Minus 3.3. But this is not like decimal because number of decimal plus 2 zeros. So let us subtract. 6 minus 0, 6, 6 minus 0, 6, 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 0, 6, 3 minus 0 is 3. 363.366. Yes, tell your answer. Send me in the WhatsApp chat box. Let me see the answer. Fourth answer. Yes, send me the answer in the chat box, my dear. Praveen 207.97. 207.97. Only one student. Deepika Manna 209.978. Okay. 2 students, 2 different answers. Let us check whose answer is correct. 38 minus 30. Yes, see this. 38 minus 30. So first you will solve 38 minus 30. 38 minus 30 is 8. Okay. These two answer is 8. Now to this answer I have to add 200.200. So this is 8. Now number of decimal places is 3. So 8 I will write 8.00030. To this we have to add 200.200. 200. We have to add. We write plus. Let us add them. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 0, 8, 0, 208.200. So when we add 8 to this number, we get this number, 208.200. Now from this I have to subtract 0.230. So 208.200. From this we have to subtract 0.230. 230. Okay. Subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Now this is 0, this is 3. So 1 is carried here. This 0 becomes 10. 2 will become 1. But this is 2. So 1 has to be carried. 8 will become 7. And 1 will become 11. Okay. Let us see. 10 minus 3 is 7. 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 0 is 7. 0 minus 0, 0. 207.970. This is the answer. How many have got this answer? Somebody got 398. That is the wrong answer. Yes? Are you following this, my dear? How many of 207.970 is the correct? Fifth answer. Jayashree. What is the answer? So fourth answer. Fifth answer. Chalo, do fifth answer. Send me the answer of fifth. 154 point. One 54 point. Huh? What is the answer? Wrong. Wrong answer. 91. 91 is the correct pronunciation. Okay? Because after decimal we read single digit. You cannot say 91. It is 91. Okay? So 154.91 is the correct answer. Don't pronounce it 91. So let us see. 237.98. From this we have to subtract 83.47. Let us see what the answer comes. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 13 minus 8. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 2 will become 1. 154.51. To this we have to add 0.4. 154.51. To this we have to add 0.4. But convert that into like decimal. So we add 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 0, 4 is 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 154.91 is the answer. Tell your answer. Yes, all of you tell your answer. 154.91. Yes. Fifth answer we have discussed. 154.91. Okay. Now do sixth and seventh. Do sixth and seventh. Now this side we have discussed, so let me erase it. Sixth and seventh, what should be added? So you can write let x be added. Let x be added and form the equation. Let x be added. x be added? See, remedial session is kept to clear your doubts. So you can ask the question, ask the doubt. Okay, do not hesitate in asking the doubts. You have to clear all your doubt in the remedial session. Now sixth is, so send me the answer of sixth. Send me the answer of sixth. What should be added? So we write, let x be added. Let x be added. Let x be added to 0.283. Now form the equation. 2x is added to this. So we write 0.283 plus x. Get means equal to. Get means equal to. What we get? 2. But check whether this number and this number they are like decimal. No. After decimal there are 3 digits. 3 decimal places. So this 2 also I will write 3 decimals. So 0.283 plus x is equal to, we write 2.000. 3 zeros. 3 places, 3 places. Now before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. Whenever you change the side of the number, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. So 0.283, I will take it on the right hand side. I will take it on the right hand side. It will become minus. So you will get x is equal to 2.000, then plus 0.283 will become minus 0.283. So let us subtract. So 2.000 minus 0.283. Let us see what the answer comes. Now this is 0 and this 3, so 1 is carried. 1 will become 10. 0 will become 1.717. Let us see. 0 become 10, then 0 become 9. Then this 0 will become, yes, 9. And this 2 will become 1. Okay, so 10 minus 7 is, 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1.717. 1.717. Yes, what is the answer? Same answer? So 1.717 is added. 1.717 is added. Okay. So answer is 1.717 is added. So in a similar way you do seventh one. What should be subtracted from? So let x be subtracted from 4.5 and do the same type of calculations. Chalo, do seventh one. Do seventh one. 8.55. Let us check. Let us check. How 8.55, my dear? It is subtracted. Okay. So whenever you have to remember, whenever it is from this number you will write first, then minus. Okay. In subtraction, whichever number is after from, that number we write first. So 8.5 is not the correct answer. 8.5 is incorrect answer. You check the answer. 8.55 is wrong answer, my dear. How? The resultant number is 4.05. How the result number will be bigger? So what should be subtracted from? So we write, let x be subtracted from. Let x be subtracted from 4.5. Let x be subtracted from 4.5. So in subtraction, whichever number is after from, that number we write first. So from 4.5, which number we have to subtract? We have subtracted x, so minus x. So when we subtract x from 4.5, what we get? Get means equal to 4.05. 4.05. Now 4.05 and 4.5, they are not like decimal. So I will write 4.50 minus x is equal to 4.05. Okay. So now before equal to, it is my left hand side. After equal to, it is my right hand side. Now see this. In previous question, it was plus x. So I have not changed the position of x. But in this question, it is minus x on left hand side. So I have to change the position of x from left to right. And this number 4.05 I will take to the right, left side. Okay, this is minus x. So this minus x you have to take it on the right hand side. Previously it was plus x. So do not change the position of x. So now this 4.50 I will keep as it is 4.50. Then plus 4.05 of right hand side we take it on the left hand side, minus 4.05 is equal to minus x on right hand side will be plus x. So subtract this 4.50 minus, yes, 0.45 is the correct answer, 4.05. Let us subtract. This is 0, so this becomes 10. 5 will become 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. The 0.45 is the answer, my dear. So my x is 0.45. So we subtract 0.45. Okay? In this question, it is minus x, my dear. So minus x, whenever it is plus x, we do not change the position. If it is minus x you have to take it on the right hand side. And other number you have to take it on the left side. Okay? If it is plus x, we do not change the position. So let's do one more problem of subtraction so that whoever has given the answer 8 points, they will get the confidence. What should be subtracted from 12.36? Right. 8th question. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from 12.36 to get 2.89? Do it. What should be subtracted from 12.36 to get 2.89? what should be subtracted from 12.36 to get 2.89? Chalo, do it fast. What should be subtracted from 12 point? Huh? 1.47. Let us discuss what should be subtracted from this. So let x be subtracted. So 12.36 minus x is equal to 2.89. Now this is minus x, we take it on the right hand side, 2.89 we take it on the left side. So 12.36 minus 2.89 is equal to minus x on right hand side will become plus x. So subtract 12.36 minus 2.89. Okay. Now this is 6 and 9. 6 will become 16. Okay. Then 2 is carried there. So 3 will become 2 but 12. Then 2 will become 1. 1 will become 11. And 1 will become 0. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 11 minus 2 is... No, my dear, 9.47. 9.47. 9.47. Yes, so 9.47 is the correct answer. 9.47 is the correct answer. The correct answer is 9.47. Yes? Yes, all of you got the answer 9.47. See the answer on the board. Base 3 will become 2. Then 1 is carried. So 12. 2 will become 1. 1 is carried. 11. 1 will become 0. So answer is 9.47. Yes. So now we stop here. Next time we will see few more problems in the remedial class. Now we stop here. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye.